Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Priyal and Priyansh. My name is Priyal and as promised we're back with another German lesson. Today I'll be teaching you guys some common phrases. Like this video, share, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel Priyal and Priyansh, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest videos. Let's start!
Lesson 5, Lektion 5.
I speak and you guys repeat after me. Okay, then let's start. Häufige Redemittel. Once again, häufige Redemittel, which means common phrases. Okay, so the first word is danke. Or you can use Dankeschön. Repeat after me. Danke, Dankeschön. Danke or Dankeschön means thanks. Oh, and if you're very thankful for something, you say vielen Dank. Repeat after me. Vielen Dank. It means thank you very much. Bitte or bitteschön. Once again, bitte or bitteschön. Bitte or bitteschön means you're welcome. Like every other language, German also has multiple words that have different meaning. For example, bitte. Once again, bitte. Bitte also means please. The next word is Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Once again, Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte means excuse me please. And it's a formal way. But in an informal way, it's Entschuldigung bitte. Once again, Entschuldigung bitte. Entschuldigung also means I'm sorry. Or you could say es tut mir leid. Once again, Entschuldigung. Once again, es tut mir leid. Okay, the next one is wie bitte. If I don't understand what someone is saying, I say wie bitte. Once again, wie bitte. It means I beg your pardon. Or you could say noch einmal bitte. Once again, noch einmal bitte. It means once again please. Okay, the next one is Sprechen Sie Deutsch or Sprechen Sie English. Once again, Sprechen Sie Deutsch or Sprechen Sie English. It means do you speak German or do you speak English? Now, if I don't speak any of these languages, I say Ich spreche kein Deutsch. Ich spreche kein Englisch. Once again, ich spreche kein Deutsch. Ich spreche kein Englisch. It means I don't speak German and I don't speak English. Okay, the next one is Ich verstehe nicht. Once again, ich verstehe nicht. It means I don't understand. The next one is Ich weiß nicht. Once again, ich weiß nicht. It means I don't know. next one. Kein Problem. Once again, kein Problem. It means no problem. Here is the next one. Einen Moment, bitte. Once again, einen Moment, bitte. It means just a moment, please. Now we're coming for the most important words in a language. Ja, nein, vielleicht. Once again, ja, nein, vielleicht. It means yes, no, maybe. Ja means yes, nein means no, vielleicht means maybe. Wo ist mein Buch und Stift? Wo ist mein Buch und Stift? Priyansh, weißt du, wo mein Buch und Stift ist? Danke! Und mein Stift? Vielen Dank! Schön. Schön. Es tut mir leid, Priyansh. Entschuldigung, Priyansh.